Baby, why's your man not here? Tell me where he gone. Tell me why's your man not here?
Hi everyone, Petalisbless here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today to share with you guys another Dollar Tree DIY. So let's get into the items that we'll be using. Okay, I got these silver trays from Dollar Tree. Aren't they super cute? And I have the bling wrap here from Totally Dazzled. And I got these silver beads also from the Dollar Tree. And we have our mirrored sheets here, which you can get from Amazon or eBay or Dollarama. And we have our scissors and our E6000 along with our glue gun. Alright everyone, let's get started. Alright, we're going to start with our silver tray. And we're going to be putting the silver beads going all the way around our tray. Now we're going to take our bling wrap that I've cut into strips and we're going to just glue them going all the way around our tray, following this dented design that's in the tray. We're just going to glue them with this pattern going all the way around.
No, he don't recognize you. Real recognize real. And if he ain't claiming you, girl, you know you better get with me, cause I'm waving. You know I'm waving, baby. Waving, baby. Yeah, I'm waving. Ooh, you know I'm waving, baby. Waving, baby, waving. I'm waving. Ooh, you know I'm waving, baby. Yeah, waving. Ooh, you know I'm waving, baby. I'm waving, baby. I'm waving, baby, waving. Yeah. Just tell me when the lights go down. Yeah, now I'm making my moves. Making my move. Yeah. Ooh, you know I'm. Yeah. Just tell me when the lights go down. Yeah, make my move. Make my move. Ooh, you know. Baby, why's your man not here?
Now I'm going to take this mirror from the Dollar Tree and with our E6000. I was going to use the mirrored sheets, you guys, but I think the design looks much better to me with this solid mirror from the Dollar Tree. So that's what I'll be using. And now we're going to take our silver beads and glue them going all around the mirror. And here's the finished look, you guys. I think it turned out very nice. I like the effect that the bling wrap gives. You know, the individual sheets going all around within the dents of the tray. It looks super cute and flashy. Now we take a simple Dollar Tree tray and turn it into a lovely wall art decor. I like how it turned out, and it's nice, simple, and easy and inexpensive decor to do, to place anywhere within your home. It will brighten up a space. Like I always say, I love things with mirrors or mirror effect. It looks very nice. It brightens up a room. Alright everyone, tell me what you think about this wall decor that I did. Leave me a comment down below in the comment section and give me a like, give me a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and press that subscribe button. Alright everyone, like I say always, stay blessed from Petalisbless. Bye bye everyone.
I'm wavy, I'm wavy. Ooh, you know I'm wavy, baby. Yeah, wavy.